This is from our stay at the Berkshires Vacation Village Hotel. I wanted to see a video of everything inside the room and I couldn't find it, so I decided to film it myself. The grounds are stunning. The best way to support this channel is to like and subscribe for more. That's the entrance to the pool house. You can rent these rooms even if you're not a timeshare owner, which was really cool. There was also a hot tub outside that I forgot to film. There was a mini arcade for the kids, complete with photo booth. The arcade was located right outside the pool area, and outside in the actual lobby there was free coffee in the mornings, and on the other side of that there was a billiards area. This chair made for the perfect photo opportunity if you come early, nobody's there, and behind it is Jiminy Peak Mountain. Right outside the rooms they had a really cool kiddie pool, park, and outdoor pool, which I will insert the photos at the very end if you want to see that. Here's the room tour that I was looking for the whole time. It came fully furnished, including a fireplace that does work, and there is everything you need to prepare meals for your stay. I was pleasantly surprised with all the amenities that came in the room. The kitchen comes with everything you need for a long-term stay. Including a few dishwasher pods. It is located very close to some major stores, and you can drive across the border between Massachusetts and New York fairly easily from this location. It came with mugs, plates, cups, bowls, serving bowls, mixing bowls, wine glasses, utensils, a little cooktop area. Here I'm showing you what came beneath the sink, which everything from a drainer to a blender, pots and pans. Like I said, it came with everything, including utensils and knives. The laundry was located outside of the room and it was completely free to use. When it comes to room service, they don't do it every day. They provide the things that you need to clean up during the week. You can hire service. I believe it was $25 per day to clean your room if you wanted service, which is pretty reasonable. Otherwise, they would do it at checkout for you. Here's a little balcony area. I didn't really show it, but we booked pretty late, so that's how we ended up with this view instead of the other view, but we were at least close to the pool. Here's the fireplace in its full glory. Overall, it was a great stay. It's very family friendly. I would definitely come back with my family. It's not too far away from New York if you're in the capital region, and there is no need to be a timeshare owner to book. You're able to do it through any site. If you enjoy this video and want to see more like this, please like and subscribe for more.